How to stop Microsoft Edge from starting automatically whenever you open a link, or whether it's set as your default browser. So the first thing you'll need to do is to right click on your taskbar and open the task manager. And from here you want to go to the Startup tab. And in Windows 11 it might take you to a tab in the settings to see which apps get started when your Windows first boots up. And in this list you want to find Microsoft Edge, which is this one right here. Right click on it and make sure to click on disable if it's already enabled. Otherwise you should see the status as disabled here. Next you want to right click on the start button and then open up the settings. And from here you want to search for default browser or default apps, which both take you to the same window, but you gotta find the browser one. Choose default browser. And then you want to scroll down and under web browser, click on this and choose another browser app that you want to use. So if it's set to Microsoft Edge, you want to switch it to Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox or whatever browser you want to use instead of the default Microsoft Edge, and click on it, and this should set the default browser. Now whenever you open a link or open your browser, it should open up Google Chrome immediately. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.